Hey y'all, my name is Gray Madden, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a hanging 5-gallon planter. A planter like this one right here. I've got 8 pockets cut into the side of this bucket where you can plant 8 individual plants, and I've got a little hole in the bottom of the bucket, and I put that in there so I can hang a tomato plant or something of that nature out the bottom, and it'll grow upside down in the bucket. Alternatively, you can use this bucket, this planter, like a regular planter, and set it on your patio. You've got your 8 pockets going around the bucket and about 75 or 0.75 square feet of growing area on the top of the bucket. So either method will work fine for you. The thought process behind this project or this video is to encourage people to get started in self-reliance. Self-reliance is a process, and a lot of people don't get started because they say, well, I don't have 5 acres, I don't live in the country, I don't have enough room, I don't have a big enough garden, can't have animals, etc., etc., and they just don't even get started. When really, you can get started in at least a small way, getting some hands-on practical experience no matter where you're at. Something like this you could do even if you're in an apartment in town or on a small lot. So my encouragement to you is to get started even if it's in a small way. So with that said, let's go ahead and get started on this project. What you're going to need tools-wise is a drill or a driver, a crowbar or something to pry with. I'm going to be using a heat gun. You could probably use a hair dryer, it'd just take a little bit longer, or you could use a propane torch if you're really careful. And I'm using a jigsaw. Materials, you just need your 5-gallon Napa bucket. Any bucket really, as long as it's food grade. Make sure it's not the Napa bucket you got your hydraulic oil in or your motor oil in, and make sure it's food grade and you should be good. I've already gone ahead and laid out the lines for the bucket, or I've already gone ahead and laid out the lines for the cuts. I got 4 lines, 5 inches from the top. Each line's about 5 inches long, and I've got 4 of them going around the top here, about 5 inches from the top, and around the bottom I've got another 4 or 5 inches from the bottom, and I've got them alternating, or offset. So the top one's here, and then I got the bottom one here, so forth. So we're just going to take the drill a hole to start our cut. Now we can cut our slots. Now that we've got the slots cut, we can go ahead and start forming our pockets by heating up the bucket with a heat gun. Just going to go long enough for it to get waxy and kind of shiny. And then we're going to stop and pry it open with the pry bar. It really doesn't take much with the heat gun. It's better to take it easy and not go long enough, be too cold, than to overdo it. Once the plastic gets soft, it's just a pain in the butt to work with. So err on the side of caution when using your heat. Alright, so now that I've got all 8 pockets cut and formed, I'm going to flip it over, drill 2 holes. Alright, I'm going to take my jigsaw and cut a little X in here. And now I'm going to take the heat gun again, heat it up a little bit. And I'm going to press these tabs down. So now we're done with the planter. We can fill it up with potting soil and plant in the 8 pockets around or on top. Hang it. Have a tomato coming out the bottom, whatever you want to do with it. I hope you've enjoyed the video. I plan on being more diligent about producing more videos, so please subscribe, please like, and please check out my website, madmanmadden.com. I'm also about to launch another website called selfreliancepublishing.com, so swing by and check that out. I will post links below when I get it launched. Thanks again. We'll see you next time.